ಹಾಯ್ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ plus root x whole divided by x is equal to 6. So here you can see in the numerator there are 3 root x, 1 root x, 2 root x, 3 root x. So therefore when you add all the 3 you will get 3 root x whole divided by x is equal to 6. So therefore we can write this as 3 root x divided by x is equal to 6. Then we can write this as by keeping the numerator same. Numerator in the denominator we can write the x can be written as root x into root x. X can be written as root x into root x. So that is equal to 6. So here 1 root x and other in the 1 root x in the numerator and the root x in the denominator will get cancelled. It will remain 3 divided by root x is equal to 6. Or we can write 1 divided by root x is equal to 6 divided by 3. We are taking this 3 to the right hand side. So it will become 1 divided by root x is equal to 6 divided by 3. Then 1 divided by root x will be equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then we can write the cross multiplication 2 root x is equal to 1. 2 root x is equal to 1. Now root x we want x, so therefore root x is equal to 1 divided by 2. So now the squaring on both sides. So if you square on both sides, so root x whole square is equal to 1 divided by 2 whole square. So this 1 divided by 2 whole square we can written as 1 square divided by 2 square. 1 square divided by 2 square. Now here square and square root will get cancelled. In the left hand side we have only x. X is equal to 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is 4. That is equal to 0.25. The x value is 0.25 or 1 divided by 4. So this is the answer for x. So it is very simple problem. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಥರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಣೆ ನೀಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.